I thought I would divide this video into two parts. The first part will be how a technician will complete a curbside feedback evaluation form, and the second will be how the manager of that technician would look at the completed feedback evaluation form. So part number one, the technician's going to log into their TouhStone account, and they will see, in this case, I've set up a position called HVAC Service Tech, and they'll select their position, and all of their processes will be here. So here we see the HVAC Curbside Feedback Evaluation Form. Now, once the technician has been trained on how to complete a form, he's just going to go right to the form right here. And he will, my recommendation is to put in the client name here. He can put any notes that he wants about the whole process of the curbside feedback evaluation form. My sense is that they won't put anything in here. And then he's going to fill in the rest of the number, the DS number, and each one of these steps he can drop it down and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He will answer every one of these questions. And then if there's a note that he wants to make about the overall install step, he can input a note here. We've put this note section at the end of each of these sections. So you'll see one after the note section, after the greet section, after the explore section, after the execute section, and the present section, and the wrap up section. So there are notes that you can complete or enter after any specific section. When the technician is finished, he or she will click save. And that's pretty much all they have to do. They could print it if they chose to, and then they'd have a copy that they could hand in. But let's assume that they just save it, and that's it. Okay, so that is what would happen with the technician to complete a form. It's as simple as that. And this can be done on a tablet, a telephone, or a computer. So now I'm going to log out and log in as the manager. So now you'll see the operations manager, and here's the service tech who reports to me. I want to see all of the reports that the service techs have done. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to select the reports function, and you'll notice there are two sections: control panel reports, management review reports. Control panel reports are the forms and checklists that I have completed as the operations manager. Management review reports are the forms and checklists that have been completed by the people that report to me. So I'm going to select management review because these are reports that have been completed by people that report to me. And I can run reports on a start date or an end date. I can run reports on a customer's name or whatever was put into the title. Remember, I recommended the save as, put the customer's name in there. So this is a text search based on anything that's put in the title. I can do it for a specific user. So I can pick a specific tech and select that specific tech. Or I can pick a specific type of tool, like a custom form, which is what that is. And then I can click Run Report. And I will get all of the reports, all of the custom forms completed by that technician. I can simply click on it, and I can see what they completed. Okay, that's how it'll work.